In this video, we will understand how almost every website, mobile app, and online services works using this powerful architecture. So let's start with some basic idea. Client server architecture is a communication model used throughout the internet. So in this model, there are two participants. The first participant is client and the second one is server. The client asks for something and the server provides it, and this interaction happens through requests and response. Think of it like a restaurant. The customer places an order, the kitchen prepares the food is delivered back to the customer. Similarly, the client sends a request, okay, and the server processes the request, and the server sends back a response. And this simple model powers almost everything on the internet. Got it? Now, the second part is, who exactly is the client? So, client is simply a device or application that requests a service, right? Let's say when you open a Chrome and visit Google, your browser becomes the client. When you open Instagram and on your phone, and the Instagram app becomes client. When you open WhatsApp, then the application becomes client. So clients are responsible for initiating communication, right? They ask for data, resources, video, images, and you can say messages and many other services. So in most of the case, your browser is the client. Now coming to let's talk about something called more server. Let's talk about the server. So a server is nothing but your powerful computer that provides services to the client, as you know. And for now, this time, you consider server stores data. Actually, database stores the data, but consider server stores data. Like they host websites, they process requests, they handle millions of users simultaneously. For example, YouTube servers store videos, Instagram servers store photos and reels, Gmail servers store emails. Whenever a client asks for something, the server processes the request and sends back to the required information, right? So, in the simple words, you can what say the client consumes the services and the server provides the services. Now, let's say what happened when you visit a website. Let's say, suppose you type a google.com, sorry, youtube.com, consider it. So your browser sends a request to what? Where? YouTube server. The request might ask, please send me the homepage. The server receives the request, process it, finds the required data, right? After that, what will happen? Then it will send back a response, and the response may contain anything. Like you can say, it may contain your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, videos, and everything. Another resource, let's say. So actually, your browser then displays the web page, and this entire process is nothing but your request response cycle, and it happens every time you interact with a website. So these are the 6 steps. You can see browser sends a request, server receives the request and process it, then server finds the required data or resources, then server sends the response back to the client, then client receives the response and client displays the data to the user. Sometimes server will act as a what? Client. How? Let's say you asked for some data to the server then asks data to the database. So for the database, this server becomes what? Client. For this, you can take the analogy of an restaurant. Imagine you walk into a restaurant, you are the client right now, and the kitchen is the server. You placed an order, that order is the request. This is your request. The kitchen prepares your food. This kitchen is preparing your food. The prepared food is nothing but your response, and the waiter, this is the waiter, simply carries messages between both customer and the server. So the internet works in a very similar way. The client asks, The server responds, and simple interaction forms the foundation of the modern web application. So this is the whole about the client server architecture. I hope you got it. Thanks for watching the video.